Evening friends, today I have come up with a recipe with a Mughlai dish. Basically, I have previously there was mutton kosher. This is the mutton chop which you can see. Now the ingredients which I have used. This is the ginger paste and this is the green chili paste. This is the garlic paste. This is the onion paste. Now there's the ingredient very important which is cashew nut and poppy seed. Grind it in the mixture, make a good paste. Now I have taken 1 kilo of mutton, right? You can boil it and keep it half an hour earlier, make it ready. And now you have to mix all these all these ingredients into it. And you have to put I haven't shown it here, but you can put red chili powder as well accordingly, as you want the chili to appear in your taste, how the chili you want to take, how much chili. So accordingly you can put that chili powder, red chili powder, as well as salt, right? According to taste you can put it. So basically this mutton I mean the Mughlai dishes are so favorite dishes for everyone, I suppose. So now I have mine too. I too love Mughlai dishes. Chinese dishes are also favorite. So now these are two more ingredients. It's a just to give a restaurant style mutton kosha. Mutton chop. I have to use this sattu for a 2 teaspoon here. One, another one is there. I used 2 teaspoon. Now this is Kara water. That is also 2 teaspoon I require according to the quantity what I have taken. After that I would be using just the Kara water. This is ator, mitha ator you need to give. Now this is Amulia powder, milk powder. You can use 2 teaspoon. Alright, mix it very well, marinate it overnight. Now I have come up to the cooking part. While cooking it, you just need a big karai. Alright, it should be an aluminium karai. Now in that karai you have to give white oil, refined oil. Heat it very well so that the mutton doesn't get stuck below. Alright, because there is cashew nut and poppy seed, they have the tendency to stuck at the bottom. So just heat it very well and just fry it first. Keep aside the ingredients, whatever you have mixed it with the mutton. Fry this mutton first, let it fry for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and after that you will be mixing this all this mixture into this fried mutton. Alright, and one more thing, while marinating you have to give this curd, yogurt. If you give 2 teaspoon or 3 teaspoon you have to use while marinated. So I have used it, and this is the ghee I am giving. Okay, 2 tablespoon of ghee I have used. At home you can make it very easily. The most important part of this mutton chop is that you have to marinate it overnight. If you do that, then it is very easily you can cook it in the morning. So overnight marination is very much required here, right? So I am giving, okay, biryani masala is another one. You can buy it from outside, and as well as you can make it at home also. Everybody knows what is the biryani masala you require. I have now giving all the mixtures, all the ingredients, whatever I used while marination. Now just cook it for at least 50 to 1 hour. It will be requiring to absorb all the masalas in the mutton, as well as, and keep it in the low flame. Cook it in low flame and cover it with a dish so that all the ingredients, all the masalas get absorbed very nicely in the mutton. So you can try it out at home. It's a very good recipe. At home you will be getting the restaurant style mutton chow. So enjoy it guys and have a nice day. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye for now.